It's a nice present?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Uh,
What do you think's in there? What's in there? What is it?
it's a cereal.
It's a what?
A cereal.
It's a dinosaur.
I know, it's a big dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur pillow for you to sleep on tonight.
And this too.
And slippers.
New slippers for me.
What else is in there?
New jammies.
New jammies. Who's on your jammies?
Dora.
Dora.
Those are nice.
Those are nice jammies.
Yeah.
I'm really glad you like them. Do you want to put them on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But after my slippers.
After your slipper. Well, we got to cut your slippers apart.
Cut my slippers apart so I can wear them.
Yep.